Hey guys, how's it going? We're back working in the garage for a while because winter's in full effect. We got the Shelby put away, got the Thunderbird put away, got my winter beard going. It's a lot more gray than last year. Anyways, I'm going to be doing an alternator upgrade today. Ever since I got the VFL Hybrid 4800 and the VFL Hybrid 150.4, it's been sounding awesome, but obviously I'm running out of electrical power, especially in the evenings when you turn the lights on, and also in the fall when you got to turn the heater on. So I ended up ordering a Brand X 200 amp alternator upgrade. My stock alternator is 110 amps, so this is way more power, almost double. I was hemming and hawing about between this 200 and then getting a 240, but you know, just for the price I decided to just get a 200. It should be fine. So Brand X dynos these alternators and then they send you the results. So it turns out my 200 amp alternator actually puts out 237 amps. So thanks Brand X for the extra 37 amps. I really appreciate it. So this alternator does look a little bit different than mine. It comes with an adapter. I'll get the other one out so that we can compare it. Hopefully everything works out. Oh guys, what a job. Looked like it was going to be easy since it was right up on top, but to get the alternator out, I had to remove the coil pack because there's a third bolt holding the alternator in, and then it wouldn't squeeze past the charge pipe, so I loosened the top hat, pulled it off, and then to get it out of the way, I had to remove the windshield washer fluid tank, because there's a bolt down here that locates it, which is a big pain in the butt. So anyways, it's out. Does look like it's gonna work. It does have a smaller pulley on it, and the body looks a lot smaller, so hopefully it goes in a lot better. It also came with this adapter, so I'm just gonna make sure that it fits both ends before I install everything again, and we can try it out. Well guys, looks like it's gonna work. That smaller alternator pulley should turn a lot faster, give me some more amperage. The plugs did seem to work, so hopefully when I start it up, everything's charging. Hey guys, got everything back together. Went pretty good. One of the only things that I was concerned about was that the plug is extremely close to the charge tube. Whew! They could only move that up just a tiny bit more. I do like the big power supply lug up here. Makes everything a lot easier. So now I've just got to start it up and see if everything works. Oh, and put the belt on. Yeah, I gotta put the belt on. Okay, that would work a lot better if I put the belt on. Alright guys, car's running. No issues. No sparks, no fire, which is good. Now we'll just check here. Don't have a battery light or anything, so that's good. Alright guys, well, thanks for watching. Can't wait to get this out in the spring. Talk to you later. Bye.